Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we will cover our mock test questions part 1 for 5G wireless standard design. In this video, we will give you question and you have to answer it in 5 seconds. So let's start our question number first. Which method in OFDM systems helps to avoid inter-symbol interference? ISI. So these are the option: orthogonal subcarriers, cyclic prefix, IFFT encoding. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, cyclic prefix. Now let's go to our question number 2. For 30 kilohertz subcarrier spacing with 50 megahertz bandwidth in 5G NR, what is the correct sampling rate? So these are the option: 30.72, 61.44, 122.88, 245.76. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, 245.76. Now let's go to our question number 3. A 5G system with 100 megahertz bandwidth and 9 dB SNR achieves maximum data rate of, so these are the option: 180 Mbps, 280 Mbps, 316 Mbps, 459 Mbps. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, 316 Mbps. Now let's go to our question number 4. The number of slots per subframe when using 60 kilohertz subcarrier spacing is, so these are the option: 1, 2, 4, 8. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, 4. Now let's go to our question number 5. What IFFT size is needed for a 50 megahertz NR system with 15 kilohertz spacing? So these are the option: 1024, 2048, 4096, 8192. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, 4096. Now let's go to our question number 6. A system starts with effective code rate 1 by 4. After two retransmissions in incremental redundancy HARQ, final code rate becomes, so these are the options: 1 by 8, 1 by 4, 1 by 12, 3 by 7. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, 1 by 8. Now let's go to our question number 7. Approximate SNR dB to achieve spectral efficiency of 5 bps hertz is, so these are the option: 5, 15, 21, 31. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, 21. Now let's go to our question number 8. What should the UE do when it suddenly experiences SNR drop? So these are the options: decrease code rate, increase code rate, increase CRC length, change CRC polynomial. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, decrease code rate. Now let's go to our question number 9. Number of slots per subframe with 30 kilohertz subcarrier spacing is, so these are the options: 1, 2, 4, 8. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, 2. Now let's go to our question number 10. Which 5G layer manages coding and modulation? So these are the options: PDCP, RLC, MAC, PHY. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, PHY. Now let's go to our question number 11. Which block in transceiver removes null bits? So these are the options: CRC addition, LDPC decoding, rate matching, code block segmentation. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, code block segmentation. Now let's go to our question number 12. the greedy scheduling algorithm in 5G and R is, so these are the option: round robin, proportional pair, max rate, random. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, max rate. Now let's go to our question number 13. The interleaver block in 5G helps to, so these are the option: reduce burst errors, insert pilots, add redundancy, perform scrambling. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, reduce burst errors. Now let's go to our question number 14. Which functional block uses pseudo random sequence C of n equal to x1 plus x2 mod 2? So these are the option: rate matching, scrambling, LDPC encoding, interleaving. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, scrambling. Now let's go to our question number 15. The number of slots subframe at 15 kilohertz subcarrier spacing is, so these are the option: 1, 2, 4, 8. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, 1. Now let's go to our question number 16. In the transceiver chain, what comes immediately after segmentation? So these are the option: interleaving, LDPC coding, scrambling, rate matching. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, LDPC coding. Now let's go to our question number 17. For 125 PRBs into 12 OFDM symbols allocated to user, REs available are, so these are the option: 17,250, 13,248, 6,624, 21,504. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, 17,250. Now let's go to our question number 18. When increasing allocation from 12 to 13 symbols, approximate gain in REs is, so these are the option: 8.7%, 10%, 17.39%, 20%. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, 17.39%. Now let's go to our question number 19. In BPSK mapping, 0 tends to minus 1, 1 tends to plus 1. With P of x equal to 0 equal to 1 by 3, threshold alpha equal to dash. So these are the option: 0, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, 1 by 6. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, minus 1 by 3. Now let's go to our question number 20. In BPSK mapping, 0 tends to 0, 1 tends to 1. Same parameters as above, threshold equal to dash. So these are the option: 0, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 3, minus 1 by 6. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, 1 by 3. Now let's go to our question number 21. Low pass filter at receiver is mainly used to, so these are the option: suppress carrier frequency offset, remove noise completely, obtain transmitted IQ samples, estimate channel. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, obtain transmitted IQ samples. Now let's go to our question number 22. Purpose of passband filter at receiver is, so these are the option: limit passband noise, increase gain, suppress carrier frequency offset, suppress phase offset. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, limit passband noise. Now let's go to our question number 23. The scrambling sequence affects, so these are the options: CRC, LDPC order, interleaving, LLR values. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, LLR values. Now let's go to our question number 24. In 5G, an RC generator polynomial d is to the power 4 plus d is to the power 2 plus 1 gives CRC of this binary number, and these are the options 0101, 1101, 1111, 1010. So your time starts now. And the answer is B 1101. Now let's go to our question number 25. If transport block size equal to 17,192 bits, code block size equal to dash, use lifting size table. So these are the options 5,120, 6,336, 7,986, 9,875. So your time starts now. And the answer is B 6336. So thank you friends for watching our mock test question part 1 for 5G wireless standard design. Now we will meet in our mock test question part 2 for 5G wireless standard design. So thank you friends for watching our video.